Hello, my amazing artists. Today I want to talk to you about the weather outside. It's sunny, it's beautiful, and there's shadows to be drawn. I want you to check out this next activity to see what you can do and how you can use the sun to create art. For this project, you need some items that you want to trace the shadow of: paper, pencil, and the sun. Now you may notice that depending on the time of day or where the sun's position is in the sky, your item may cast a shadow right away. Or you may need to adjust the position, have someone hold it, or find a new inventive way to cast the shadow onto the paper. As you can see in these two photographs, the items were simply placed next to the paper in order for the shadow to be cast. But you'll see in the video my sons and I coming up with some inventive ways to cast our shadows to get our pictures. We started by collecting some objects that we wanted to trace. We grabbed a box and tried some different things to try to cast the shadow. We realized that the sun wasn't in the position to be able to just put it right next to the paper to cast the shadow, so we had to think of a different way to do it. My son Grady decided that he could hold the item that we wanted to trace the shadow of, and I quickly traced the shadow as he held the dinosaur in place to get the sun to cast the shadow onto the paper. After we traced the shadow with the pencil, we decided to keep a monochromatic look using green to represent the herbivore that the dinosaur was. We decided to use the black to make the dinosaur a silhouette on the composition so that it would stand out against the green background. Next up, we decided to trace the shadow of a crab. We propped him up on a box using some tape and then looked to see and adjusted where the shadow was on the paper till we had the design that we wanted. Here you can see the finished sketch of the crab on the paper. When completing your design, there's many different options you can choose from. Two main ones would be doing a silhouette like I did to represent the black or the dark of the shadow, or you can even choose to do the design filling in a crab in its natural colors. What I decided to do is I used the black marker to fill in the different parts of the shadow that I had traced. If I had black instruction paper, I would have liked to cut out the shape on the bottom so that I wouldn't be wasting my marker ink. So use the resources that you have at your house to help guide your design. What I did next is I chose some different hues that I thought would be pretty in cool colors, and I'm going to put just a wave pattern in the background to add some color around the black crab to make it pop. I hope you enjoyed that video, and when you go outside that you find some inspiration in the sun and the shadows. Remember, if you'd like, you can upload your design to me through Google Classroom, through GJM Ospreys in the Art Room on Facebook, or you can email me at aeastburn@lehsd.org. And remember, stay happy, stay healthy, and always know you're amazing.